Welcome to Break Into Tech Show with Professor Temi Akinwumi of My IT University, a multi-award-winning tech CEO, career coach, and mentor. With decades of hands-on tech career, will ensure your career dreams come true. Join our extraordinary show today on groundbreaking topic for a successful career. Do you want a $100,000 job as a cybersecurity professional, Scrum Master, Business Analyst Software QA, Cloud Architect, Data Analyst, Technical Recruiter, and more? Visit www.myituniversity.com to schedule a call. Come and get inspired to secure a lucrative job, keep the job, and grow on the job. Relax, receive, and see results. We're glad you're here. Share, like, and comment.
Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining us today. This is your Break Into Tech show, and this is Professor Temi Akinwumi. It's going to be a wonderful day, and I hope you are doing very well wherever you're joining me from, all over the world. I know people are joining me from everywhere. Thank you. Maybe you are joining me in the morning, in the afternoon, in the nighttime. I appreciate your time, and thank you for always being here with us. Tonight, today, this morning, this afternoon, we're going to be having a reflection on lesson learned in tech careers. Feel free to share this video with everybody so that they can come on board. In case they have any questions about how to break into tech or have a question about the lesson learned in tech careers, we are here, to support and to answer all your tech questions. I'm always excited to come on board online and to share with you all, how you can break into tech or how you can leverage your soft skills, your hard skills, and how you can grow on the job, how you can secure the job, how you can strive and do great things in your job. So that's why we're here. So even though if you are not technical and you are not into tech, you can still learn a lot from our platform. So I so much appreciate your joining us. Feel free to share with us here, your city and state where you're joining us from. And if you have any question, feel free to leave your questions. My name is Professor Temi. Like I said, I've been in tech for like 3 decades now. And I'm a multi-award-winning tech CEO of My IT University and of Top Group Technologies for like 17 years now. And I'm always excited to always be, in the forefront of tech and to evangelize tech and to help you break into the tech careers. It can be done, and it's been done. I've mentored thousands of engineers into tech, and it's a joy to behold that is possible. So I'm so glad to be here today. We're going to be having a reflection of lesson learned in tech careers. And I want to thank all my lovely guests that I brought into this show this month of May. We have been discussing this part 1, part 2, part 3. Today is part 4, which is reflection. And I brought a lot of them here, from Roy White to Natalia Gordon to Mrs. Fetch. And I brought all of them, Amanda Fetch, on here. And I want to thank them for coming. So today, we're going to be discussing on the reflection. And feel free to leave your comments. Thank you so much. I see a lot of lovely people joining us. I see Siri from Maryland. Thank you, Siri, for joining us. You are truly appreciated. And I see Bright Amosu joining us from Oklahoma. Thank you so much, Bright. And I also see Olufunsho joining us. Ogundikwe, thank you so much. Let's know where you're joining us from, Olufunsho. And Matthew, so great to be here today again, joining from Nigeria. Lovely. Thank you so much. And I'm sure you may have 1 or 2 questions to ask as you are embracing your tech career. Feel free to ask those questions as we continue on this reflection today. Have your pen and paper, or I'm sure you have a notepad by now, ready to write things and to reflect with me on the lesson learned in our tech careers. Been in tech for many years, supported a lot of 4,500 companies, even before I started my company. A lot of 4,500 companies on project that, if I have to tell you, I have to kind of kill you, right? Like I always say, that it's kind of funny, right? But it's true. Being a software engineer, being a cybersecurity analyst, and so many, other roles that I've been fortunate to to uh, to work on in my career. So I have a 360 software engineering to cybersecurity to project management, Scrum, and all of that. So I kind of see Tech 360 degrees, and I'm grateful for the opportunity of choice for anybody, because tech is lucrative. Tech is always evolving. We always need more people in tech. There's a lot of flexibility in tech. Okay, I see more people joining us. So just share with us where you are joining from, and I will say hi and I'll showcase, you. Thank you so much. So there's a lot of great great opportunity in tech. Like I said, you should embrace tech, because tech is a career of choice. Even though for me, I wanted to be a doctor, and I will always say that. But I ended up being in the computer science field, and I'm grateful for that. It wasn't planned, but it's what I found myself, and I'm grateful that I actually went that way, that the Lord directed my path that way, because I wouldn't have loved it better. Okay, this is the best. So, and I've seen it, I've looked back. Right now, I've mentored a lot of doctors. People that are in the medical school, I'm mentoring them as I speak. I'm mentoring like 5 pharmacists. Some of them are even couple. I'm mentoring them now. Okay. And so many other fields, because tech is very rewarding. They have flexibility of time with family. Imagine two pharmacists, husband and wife, no time for the kids. They're always going to be on shift, on schedule, or medical area, or other areas where you have to travel a lot. That's not even medical, but other areas. So tech is the convenience of tech. Can work remotely. You have good pay, good money, salary, flexibility, collaboration. You can invent. You can use your skills. You can be creative, things like that. Excuse me. You can work from anywhere in the world. So that has actually make a lot of people to want to embrace tech, work in tech field. Okay, so tech should be a career of choice. Always think about that, and you can break in fast, and you can grow as you continue in that field. But as we discuss now, I'm going to be doing some recap of some of the topic that we discussed this month. And feel free to ask your question. Before I go to the recap, I want to welcome all our lovely people that are joining us now. I see Jacquette Brown. Thank you from North Carolina. Welcome, Raleigh, North Carolina. And I see, okay, Funsho said, I'm joining from Nigeria. Thank you, Olufunsho, for that. And I see LinkedIn users, Margaret, joining from Atlanta, Georgia. Good morning, Margaret. And thank you for joining us. I hope Atlanta is doing great today. So feel free to chime in, add on to our discussion. Feel free to ask your question. I really appreciate you all for being here with me. It's going to be a recap. So learn and understand the basics. See, I know a lot of people trying to break into tech, and they will be so scared. They will be believing, oh, by the way, I'm scared. I don't know what to do. I don't know anything. But once you are trained and you are prepped and you are hands-on, you have projects to showcase, that's the basis. Learn and understand the basis, and then you can grow from there. Nobody knows everything, and you will never know everything. Whatever you know is good enough to get started. So don't have the mindset that you are not good enough. Okay, manage your expectation. Manage that as you get in, you'll be trained at the job, you will learn at the job, and you will grow at the job. So you don't kill yourself before you died. Don't put yourself down before you even started. So learn the basis, understand the basis, and go from there. See, when you started school, Maybe you started when you started elementary school, you don't know anything. You don't even know 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2. But you learn from there. And then to say you can look at yourself today, maybe you finish college, maybe you're in college, see what you have learned over the years, from elementary school to middle school to high school. See what you've learned. It didn't start in a day. You learn along. The same thing with tech. Don't be scared to break into it. Whatever you know, you have a mentor, you have the network, they are prepping you, we're helping you break in. Start from there and you just hit the ground running and just continue from there. Gradually, you get better. So learn and understand the basics and start from there. Even myself, when I finished, I have my associate in computer science. I have my bachelor's in computer science. But you know what we learn in school, in college? All those things are just theory. It's not practical. So I still have to go for a boot camp to learn before I can break in. But then, even when I learn everything that I've learned, I still have to practice and gradually get improve and read, research. So just learn basics, understand the basics, and don't worry. Okay, if you connect with me, if you're trying to break in, if you reach out, I will help you. Okay, that's what I'm here for. Connect with me, www.myituniversity.com. Schedule a call with me, free discovery call, and I will help you understand the basics and break in. You don't have to worry. So that's the first thing, understanding the basics and go from there. So if you have any question, feel free to reach out and leave your comments. I want to read your comment, everybody. So what do you think about our discussion? Come on, guys. I want to hear your comments. And look for opportunity to learn. We're going to be evolving. We're going to be learning, right? So opportunity to learn abound at the job. Even if you are trying to break in, there's opportunity to learn. There's so much. Look for opportunity to learn. As you break into tech, you'll be learning at the job. For example, there was one of my students that just broke in 2 days ago. Yeah, on Monday. Today is Wednesday. They gave her own work, things to do. Some of things you don't understand. We have a group, a mentoring group. She can ask questions there. But if they don't know, I'm gonna be jumping. Last night as late as 9:30, 10, I was showing her what to do. That's what I do for my students. If I'm mentoring you, I'm mentoring you. Even if you're at the job, I'm still gonna be mentoring you at the job. Because if you ask, oh, I don't know this, somebody needs to help you in the group. If nobody is jumping in, I'm gonna be jumping in because you gotta you gotta get that thing done. That's it. So I'm gonna be jumping in to help. So I was helping her, showing her what to do, download things, show her, gave her this, gave her that. And so she was good. And she's good to go. She's gonna hit the ground running by the time she get at the job. You know what? She's gonna be rolling. That's it. So opportunity to learn abound, and we're here to help you achieve that. And be flexible with your work plan, right? So, like for example, I was telling the lady, right? I said she's asking for these things, but then she needs to ask questions too. Even though she's just breaking in, there are questions to ask your boss so that she will have the information. There's something you cannot guess, right? You can't guess when you have to write certain things. You need to ask. So don't be afraid to ask. I was telling her, go list all these things and ask your boss so that they can give you this information to fill in this gap. Use this template, fill in the gap. That's all you got to do. And I'm always mentoring my student with that. Being flexible, think out of the box, right? It's very important. Don't just have everything in your mind like, okay, this is what I'm doing. I'm not going to change. No, it doesn't work like that. Be flexible. I remember I work with a lot of 4,500 companies. And at the time I was doing coding development, software engineering, or doing more of .NET framework that time, ASP.NET. But then it was a project. They bought in a project that has to do with access database. Nobody want to do access database. Nobody want to do Excel. Although you have to write your VBA macros and stuff. Nobody want to do that because it's a different learning curve. Even though you still have to script, but I jumped at it and I took the job and I worked on it. I worked because it's very, very close to the hearts of the customer. Even though they have all this big project that we worked on, but that one is close to them because they need it for their budgeting, they need it for their personnel tracking, for their HR stuff. So they really need that to track all of that. So nobody want to do it. I jumped at it. I did. Not only did I win more contracts for the organization, they gave us more job, and that company was able to get more contracts. Okay, so and I was able to train other people also, the VBA, so that they took it from there, and that's all they were doing, and I was able to go back to my .NET coding. So be flexible with your work plan. Don't just be zeroing in on one thing and said, okay, this is what I'm doing. I'm not doing anything else. This is it. It doesn't work like that in tech. When you are flexible, you get to learn a whole lot more. Yeah, you get to learn a whole lot more. I see more people joining. Delighted to listen, Marva. Thank you, Marva. Atlanta, Georgia. Thank you, Marva, for always being here. And seriously, Semi, it is a good idea. But somebody like me, I think I need extra help because I don't have the confidence to talk in public. See? So, Siri, you will get to learn to talk in public when you collaborate more, Siri. And I always tell you, get involved in the like what we do, right? Remember I set up my classroom in such a way that the students get to collaborate, they get to discuss, they get to always meet every week. In those meetings, you see a lot of those people that became maybe the team leaders. They don't want to do it. Nobody want to be a leader. They all try to hide. I push them forward. And you see, they always get job faster, first, because they are accountable, because they are pushed. They kind of have to push themselves a little bit to be accountable and to be able to present to the team and to work with the team. See, that is how you develop your transferable skills, by being a leader, by putting yourself out there. Like now, today you are here. Imagine me inviting you to come and speak with me. You're probably going to be like, oh no, don't invite me. But that's the way you will learn. So wherever it is, you don't have confidence to talk in public. The only way you can conquer that is to talk in public. Okay? You will talk in public so that you will conquer that. See, it's kind of funny there, but that's the only way. Okay? So if you don't like to read, the only way you will learn to read is to read. It's kind of crazy, right? But that's the truth. So what that thing that you don't feel confident to do, that's what you have to start doing so that you can kill that on being, not having confidence in yourself. So you don't need no more extra help than to put yourself out there. Like we always come on Clubhouse, right? Every week. Come on and put yourself out there. You see that you will be more confident. And that's why I always encourage my students. Try to be more confident. Gradually you get better. Most of you are very good, but you are hiding. You are hiding in the box. Come out of the box. Come out of the box. And that's what I really encourage everybody. Don't worry. We are here to mentor you and to guide you. Okay? I'm glad you added that because a lot of people need to hear that. Don't be scared to come out. Okay? And also we discuss about the customer is always right? I wonder, even though it's true to an extent, but not altogether true. These are the things we learn in tech over the years. The customer is always right. They always said, oh, I want this, I want that. But the customer, does the customer really know everything that they want? Sometimes, but not 100%. So the major thing is that your customer is paying your bills. The customer is the one that is you are supporting. So you need to be able to work around the customer schedule. You need to be able to respectfully, right? Respectfully present to the customer what is the best solution. Because if the customer hired you to work with them, right? So even though they are not right, but you don't want to come out right saying, oh, you are not right, customer. No, you can't do that, right? So, but you correct them. You correct them by showing you the right way. That's what you are paid. So you correct them to show them the right way to go. Don't let them be in the wrong path and then leave them in the wrong path, because at the end of the day, your project will fail and it's going to be your fault because they hire you to do it. So we must study our customer very well to know how to work with them. Every customer has their own traits. Every customer has their own skills, where they are good at, where they are not good at. You must be able to leverage their skills to work with them. And any way that you think they are not working, I mean, it's not any way that you know they need to develop, you kind of work around that, because you don't want to lose the contract, and you want to be coming back. So there's some customers that are so difficult. They are the customer, but they are still difficult to work with. You need to know how to work with them if you want to stay around, right? So that's it. And if your customer is nice, don't take advantage of their niceness, because being nice doesn't mean they are foolish or stupid, right? Or don't know what they are doing. They know what they are doing, so work around them. Make sure you present good solutions for your customer, and make sure that you can showcase when you prove to the customer that you are the best for that role, so you can get more contracts, and so that you can, even if you are working a job seeker or you are in the job, that you are the best, that you can stay there. And even if you are a job seeker, right, you want to tell your customer at that point of time, is your hiring manager. You want to let your hiring manager know that you are the best for that job, right? So customer is always right. Wherever they say, okay, that's fine, just work with them. If you can't work with them, then but at least try your best, right? The, the best is always it's always good to try your best. So Jacques says so true. Yes, very true, Jacques. So that's very important, right? And remain professional at the job. I can't say that enough, right? Being professional at the job is very important. Okay, when you breaking into tech, you are in the job. Don't take sides. Don't start snitching about people. Don't start saying bad thing about some other customer or some incumbents or people that left. Whatever. Just remain professional. It's always better. It's always good to remain professional at your job. There's nothing you're not gonna take anything away from killing somebody at your job with your mouth. I mean, saying bad things about people. Be careful what you say. It might come back to bite you. See? So remaining professional, don't make life difficult for people. Maybe you are a mentor, you are at the job, and new people are coming in. Let them have a soft landing. Train them or give them orientation. Mentor them. Don't hide and say, oh, I don't want to show them this, because if I show them now, they're going to take my job. If they take your job, there's many jobs out there. Okay? And you never know this person that you're making life so difficult for. It might be the person that will help you out next time in the future. You never know. So remain professional at your job is key. Okay? Don't be rude. If something doesn't align with you or work right with you or align with your goal, then let them know. Don't start creating scene, drama in the job. There's no need for that. People already have a lot to go through in life. They don't want to come to the job and be facing all this drama, right? So remaining professional at the job is important. Always have that in mind. Always. You may be going through a hard day, hard week. You don't have to put it on others. You don't have to put it on people at your job. There's no need for that. They're also going through things. They don't have to say it. So remember that always. And as we break into tech, these are the character traits that you need to incorporate. Remain professional. Very, very important. Okay. Respect everybody for who they are. Okay. So very important. And tech also help you to be creative and baseline for your future. Okay. So it's creative. You can if you create innovative ideas. Okay. You can if you like to develop things, design things, tech is it. Okay. And the baseline for your future, like now I have my own tech company. Okay. I have my own training platform. If I didn't break into tech and I didn't embrace tech, or I didn't start with tech, I can't do that. See? So it has helped me in my career. So you breaking into tech is going to be a baseline for your future. You are still going to do a lot of great things in your future in tech too. But you have to break in first, have the experience, have the learn, so that you can now leverage that to greater things in your future. Okay? So it's going to help you to be creative, to have a baseline for everything, anything that you want to do. And it support the quality of life. Quality of life. If you want, whatever quality of life you want to live, you can achieve it in tech because it's flexible. A lot of the jobs now are work from home. Some people are working 2 jobs from home, 3 jobs from home. Okay, they have the time of their life. If they like, some people are on vacation now and they are working. They may be in Florida, all the great places they want to be in the world. They are, and they are at work because of this work from home. Everybody's working from home. Almost all, maybe 90% or now 80 are still working from home. So you have opportunity to work from home, right? So that's very important. You start thinking about that. Start thinking about that. So it's called support your quality of life. You can retire early if you want. It's pretty much like going all over the world, going on vacation, and you are working, right? So those are great things to consider. Okay, and always think about empowering others. It's always very important. Empower others as you break in. If you have a question, feel free to leave your question. Feel free to say hi. I see a lot of you joining, so feel free to leave your question. Empower others, and that's what I do. I love to empower. I love to give back. I love to come back here because I know one or two people will always learn every single day. Okay, so if you have never been following us, if for your first time of watching this episode, we meet every Wednesday. Okay, 11 a.m. Eastern time. Go on YouTube and search for my IT University. My IT University is scrolling down right now. Go search for that. Okay, you will see all the videos. Just one word, my IT University. All the videos that are out there that I've made over the year. You will see them. That will help your career. Our purpose says to enhance your career. And look under my bio on LinkedIn, you will see a lot of stuff. And even under my IT University or Top Group Tech on Facebook, you will see a lot of that. Okay? Feel free to share with others. We are here to make sure that you can win the job, keep the job, and grow on the job. So that's the goal. And if you are really trying to break into tech, you don't know what to do, you can break into cybersecurity, you can break into Scrum, business analysis, QA, and software testing, and you can break into cloud, okay, Azure Cloud, Google Cloud, AWS Cloud, data analysis, and so on and so forth. Schedule a call. I'll help you leverage, your transferable skills, your soft skills, your hard skills, and guide you into breaking into tech and mentor you. Okay, I'm here to empower you. Okay, I've empowered thousands of engineers, and I'm always excited. Just yesterday, two people got jobs yesterday night. Two people, one into business analysis and one into cybersecurity, just yesterday night. Just yesterday night. So, yes, it is. It is possible. I do this every day, and you can also break into tech too. Age is not a barrier. Age is not a constraint. You don't have to have a tech background, and you don't even have to have a tech degree. Okay? If you want to break into tech, we will help you break into it. We've done that over and over again. No tech background, fine. No college degree or no tech degree, fine. You can still be in college and breaking. You can still be in school and breaking. I have students that are still in school and they are in tech. I have students that are just getting into college and they are in tech. I have people that have no even have college degree at all and they still break into tech. So reach out and I will guide you into that. So very, very important. If you have any question, feel free to leave your question. And I will ask, I'm gonna be rounding up soon. So our call to action. Leave your question. I'm going to take that. Our call to action now is to ask yourself this question: are you ready for tech opportunities? Are you ready to have a good life, a good work-life balance? Are you ready to make good money in tech? Are you ready to have the good things of life? Are you ready to be able to help um, organization create innovative technologies, trending technologies? Are you ready to have a settled life? See, all those things is the question I'm having for you. Are you ready for tech opportunities? Yeah, you should be ready for tech opportunities. So my call to action is that you should embrace tech today. Embrace tech. And you might be asking me how? How? How can I embrace tech? The only way you can embrace tech is to schedule a call with me. As in, if you want to break into tech, you are serious with it, I can help you see what your skills are. Okay? It's good to have all those other opportunities like, oh yeah, I can just go on YouTube, I can just go on this other website to pull data, to pull stuff, but you're just going to be going round a loop. The major thing here is free. Call me. I may schedule a call with me in the call. And I'm going to help you have your career map set. Normally, people pay a lot of money for this schedule. They probably pay $100 per hour or $50 per hour or whatever to even talk to somebody, a career coach. You're going to talk to me for free, and you can decide what you want to do from there. So I provide this opportunity to counsel you. Okay, the more people we can counsel to help them leverage their career opportunity, the better. So I counsel you, help you have your goal set, okay, help you map your career, a roadmap set, so that you know where to go. Because I always want to know, where are you located in the world? Because depending on where you are in the world, there's some courses that if you take, you're wasting your time. Okay, and if you have some skill set around you, you want to leverage those skills. So that's why you need to talk to a career coach before you just jump into any area of tech. That's going to be a waste. For example, if you're just trying to break into tech now, you can't just go ahead and jump into cloud. For what? What are you going to do with cloud architect when you don't even know nothing about tech? It's going to get frustrating for you. It's more than that. So it's always good to start from, like, maybe cybersecurity compliance or Scrum Master, project management, things like that. So I always want to talk to you and see what you like to do. And then we want to see if you have those skill sets available. So we coach you, coaching program. After we finish your coaching program, we start the mentoring. We mentor you. We have a very robust mentoring community for cybersecurity, for Scrum, for QAB, and so on, where you meet a lot of Scrum masters, a lot of engineers coming in to prep you, to help us mold you, shape you, give you guidance 24/7, 365 days a year, and just on the platform, guiding you, helping you. You're in this community, and we also do meetings where you can shadow the engineers. They do presentation, show you what they do at the job. That's after you graduated from a coaching program. Imagine you graduating from coaching program, and then you start doing peer reviews with your peers, mentoring you, talking together, guiding you, prepping for interview together. Imagine you doing that. And then another day you're meeting the mentors, they come. There's no way you will not break in. And then we start the fellowship, the mentorship, the apprenticeship, hands-on projects. All these are built into our network. Okay, so all these are what we have. Okay, to to help you break in. And somebody said, as long as we are passionate to keep on learning, we will succeed in any career. Yes, thank you so much, LinkedIn user. Thank you for that. And we have to have a curiosity mindset. Yes, thank you. I love that. Yeah, you have to be curious. You have to keep learning. You have to leverage your transferable skills. I really love those ones. Thank you so much. So I hope you have a wonderful day today. You've had a wonderful month with us. Make sure you follow my IT University on all social media platform. We are if just go on any social media platform as from um, on LinkedIn, search for my IT University one word. You will find us and follow us. On YouTube, look for my IT University. You will see all these videos there and many more, and even free classes, free cybersecurity class, free cloud class, free data analysis class, free Scrum Master classes. I put them there. Things that will help you in your resume, things that will help you with your LinkedIn profile setup, optimization, they are all there. So go on there and watch those, okay? And if you check on Facebook, we are there. If you check on Instagram, you just even check for me, Professor Temi, Prof Temi, you'll see me too, right? So just follow us on different platforms, okay? And we're also on Clubhouse. Search for my IT University on Clubhouse. And you can also reach out to me. Send me an email if you want. Have a question, send me an email and I will respond back to you. Schedule a call with me and I'll help you break into tech. It's free schedule call. Just reach out. And don't procrastinate. Don't delay. Join us. We have programs starting. We have rolling program always starting. We have some Scrum Master program starting. We have some cybersecurity starting. Many programs starting. Join us. You can do this. It's possible. Okay? I can't tell you that enough. Don't delay. Don't waste your time. Okay? So by the month of June, we're gonna be starting a new series. And I will let you know. It's going to be guiding you towards creating a toolbox. If you're going to break into tech, you need to have a toolbox. What are the things that you need to have in your toolbox as a job seeker? What are the things that you have to do that you need to have in your toolbox as a tech professional? What are the things that you need to have ready, always ready with it, right? So we're going to learn about those things, and I'm going to be breaking those toolbox items down to you one by one through the month of June, and you will learn a lot. So feel free to reach out. I thank you for being here with me. I appreciate your time. Is there any questions for me? If you have any question at all, feel free to leave the questions, to comment, and then I will respond back to you. Schedule a call with me, break into tech. We've been reflecting on the lesson learned in tech careers. Over 3 decades that I've been in tech careers, the lesson I've learned is been great. It's been wonderful. There are mistakes we have made. There are lessons we have learned. Even though the mistakes are not obvious because we kind of work around those mistakes and we've been trained to and know how to adapt. So that didn't make us really have any obvious mistake like that. But we learn a lot in tech. Okay. So that's what I want you all to leverage as you break in. And I see Khadija saying hello, Prof. Yeah, welcome, Khadija. I was just about to round up. It's today's discussion. If you are trying to break into tech, make sure you schedule a call. It's up here rolling down www.myituniversity.com. So I want to thank everybody for joining us that joined us today, from Siri from Maryland to Bright. Thank you, Bright from Oklahoma, to Olufunsho from Nigeria, to Matthew from Nigeria, to Jacquel from North Carolina. I'm saying thank you to all of you. From Margaret from Atlanta, Georgia, I'm saying thank you. Marvin from Atlanta too, thank you so much. And Khadija as well. Khadija, where are you joining us from? So I want to say thank you to everybody that joined us today. Feel free to share this room. Feel free to share this broadcast with others. Feel free to invite others to break into tech, to embrace tech. Tech is a career of choice. It should be for everybody. I never regret breaking into tech. I never regret being in tech. I love tech. I'm passionate about tech, and I will never say otherwise. So continue to do the great work. From Nigeria, thank you for joining. Share this platform. Follow us on Facebook tonight. Follow me on Clubhouse tonight. On Clubhouse, we'll be discussing. We're helping people to break in, and we're prepping them for interview. So I'll put the thing here. Clubhouse. Follow my IT University, because many people out there, they are not confident in themselves, and they don't know how to be confident. So I want you all to let me put it up here. Clubhouse, follow my IT University. Okay, follow me on Clubhouse. We always meet every day. Monday. Okay, right now it's Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 6 p.m. I'll put it here, right? Let me put it here for you because I need to see you on Clubhouse. Eastern Standard Time, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, meeting on Clubhouse. Yes, so meet me, because I'm going to prep you for interviews. I'm going to do a lot for you on Clubhouse and guide you. So I need you all to meet me on Clubhouse, okay? And on Clubhouse, my name is Prof. Temi. I'm going to give you all this so you can meet me on Clubhouse. My, my name on Clubhouse is Prof. Temi. Prof. Temi Akin. Find me on Clubhouse. Find me on Clubhouse, okay? And I'll be guiding you. I'll be helping you break in, okay? I will not only prep you here on LinkedIn Live, I'll be prepping your Clubhouse. Imagine prepping you for free with your resume, your LinkedIn profile, your interview prep. I do live interview preps live. I do live interview prep on Clubhouse. I do your resume live on Clubhouse. I do LinkedIn profile live on Clubhouse. Imagine everything. I'm always meeting. We do a lot of stuff. All these things we do here, we do them every 3 times a week on Clubhouse, 6 p.m. Eastern time. Look out for me, follow me. Tonight's gonna be powerful. Okay? And we play music too. We chill, we have fun, we relax. It's wonderful. So I'm so glad to be here. Thank you so much. This Professor Temi with you. So I wish you all a wonderful rest of the week, and I'll see you on Clubhouse. Okay? Come on, sign up, schedule a call with me. Okay? Especially for this student that just finished from college now. What are they going to be doing? Some like I spoke to a lady today. She said, "My mommy wanted me to do nursing. I don't want to do nursing. I want to do tech. I'm only 19 or I'm only 20. Don't force them. If they want to do something different, they want to break into tech. Yes. Okay. If you even have to talk to your mom, I'll talk to her. I've told her, let me talk to your mom. I mean, that's how passionate I am because they can achieve greatness in tech. If that's what she want to do, let her do tech. I've seen people that their mom pay for their classes. I spoke to their mom, and now they are doing well in tech. Okay, young people, don't let them get distracted, and I will still help them to continue their college because I'm going to be guiding them and mentoring them. Even though they are working, I'm still mentoring them. They are in college and they are working in tech. That's my passion. I'm an evangelist. I'm a tech evangelist. I help you break into tech and I mentor you for a lifetime. How about that? And that's what I do. So I thank you all for being here. So all those beautiful souls that just finished from college, don't let them be wasting away at home doing nothing. Please, I'm begging you. Send them to me. Let them break into tech. Don't let them waste away at home for a minute. Let them break into tech. Let them be busy. Okay? It doesn't matter what they did in college. It might be criminal justice, can be anything. They can leverage that to break into tech. Let them have tech jobs. Don't let them be working no $30, $10 an hour job. Okay? They need the skills. I'm gonna help them. Send them to me. Let them schedule a call with me, and I'm going to show them the path to go. So I thank you all for being here. I appreciate your time, and I wish you all a great and wonderful evening. Thank you all, and may God bless you. See you on Clubhouse. Love you all. Bye bye.